Well, we are dropping down the west slope towards Saratoga. We're planning to hit Kennaday Peak on the way, so we have 27 miles to that.
The temperature is dropping quickly.
53 on my dash.
I'm down to 50.
But now we're going down, so it should warm back up, right?
I hope so.
I mean, we're at 10.7 there.
What's Kennaday, like 12.5?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna need a mid layer.
I'm not looking forward to the wind up there either.
No. Oh, there's a cool lake there off to the right.
Yeah, you can stand there and see the entire reflection of that mountain when there's no wind. It's pretty cool. There. Double stack. Crapper.
Yeah, I noticed that one at Picaroon had a men's and women's side too. Not going down very quickly.
Oh, I'm still 10.5 here. Analog on this road.
Yeah.
Just scraping his pegs with his cat diesels hanging down.
My throttle must be fucked up again. Yeah, fucking piece of shit. It's when I turn my heated grips on that my throttle starts slipping.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Odd feature.
I didn't do that double-sided tape on the throttle side because I never had a problem with that one slipping until now. So I'll have to take it off and do that same trick.
I have super glue, Gorilla Glue with me. That's what I used on mine on the Beat.
That really helps when I have to really squeeze the throttle hard the entire time too. Really helps for the tension in my hands and forearm.
Forearms are just burning.
Yeah.
Well, I could feel it in my forearms and wrists after that trail last night. I was holding on pretty hard.
Yeah.
We're here, right? Your Highway 200.
Yeah. 0.2 miles. Ah, my throttle is just fucked.
Yeah, this is like it dries in 60 seconds stuff too.
The only problem, yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be too bad to get off, I guess.
Right here or what?
Ah, must be. Oh, that. Yeah, that was it.
Okay, clear behind us.
Doesn't look like much of a road.
I think it looks awesome. It's
Oh, I thought it was just a parking lot.
paved and everything. Oh, dang.
Gently down.
Oh, they got a 5.0-inch limit on the ORVs.
So we have 21 miles of this, or probably no better than this.
One way?
Yeah.
Oh, that seems like a lot. I mean, it's not going to be this rocky the whole time.
Yeah, but once we get up to Kennaday, we don't have to come back down this road. Question mark.
Yeah, I sure hope we don't have to come back on this road.
What road is it?
Shoot, I don't know. Maybe there's an alternative route. Jesus. We just got tires fixed. We don't need to customize a rim here.
Oh, something fell off.
Oh, you dropped something, Eric.
Roto pack.
I was just wondering how long that thing would hold up.
Hopefully it didn't leak gas out. What's this water?
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not doing 21 miles of this.
Well, stop and look at the GPS. Can you grab that for me and I'll look at the GPS?
We can try it. Whoa. I need longer fingers.
I've never heard anyone ask for longer fingers.
Mine are short and fat.
No, we don't have to come back down this road. It actually looks pretty sweet. It's 21 miles to the peak, and we turn off of this road and go like 5 miles up and then 5 miles back down. And then we drop right into Saratoga.
Where's your little screw? Oh, that's on your pannier.
Right.
Yeah, you might want to add a screw to just your rack somewhere. 'Cause I would think you're going to be dropping your pannier every time you go camping.
Well, I'd rather do 20 miles of this than 60 miles of asphalt. I mean, this isn't that bad. Hopefully it doesn't get a ton worse like last night. But I'm guessing it probably will. Okay, so it looks to me we gotta go right here.
103?
Yeah. Yep. NF 103. Smaller the number, the better the road.
Yeah, we can hope for that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
I can't believe people bring campers down this shit.
Shaken, not stirred, everything on the inside, huh?
Yeah.
You have to duct tape your covers.
Oh, everything. It'd be such a mess. Or you'd have to go like fucking 3 miles an hour. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm not going much faster than 3.
Are we supposed to go right there?
Doesn't look like much of a road. Where did you go, down or up?
I went up to the right.
It says dead end.
Yeah.
This one does?
No.
To the left.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, my GPS is still happy. Whistling Dixie up here. Oh, the road gets way better. This is a lot better. I think they just graded it.